Look, a lot of people want to know how to get ExpressVPN for free. I get it. Your privacy and anonymity online is more important than ever. So while it's a subscription-only VPN, today I've got a special ExpressVPN free trial tutorial. Everything I will show you is completely legal, and through a couple of different methods, you can get one of the best VPNs on the market completely free. Okay, why wait? Let's get to the first way to get ExpressVPN free. It's a 30-day money-back guarantee option. You do need a credit card for this, but in the end, you don't have to pay a single penny. You can use all of ExpressVPN's goodies for an entire month free of charge. That's really more than enough time to see if this VPN is for you. It doesn't restrict you in any way, and you can even use it on up to 5 devices at once. So just simply download ExpressVPN, install it, register, and get charged for the first month. Then you need to cancel the subscription until the first 30 days run out and contact customer support to get your money back. Also, keep in mind that even if you cancel your subscription on the first day, you will still be able to use ExpressVPN for the remaining 30 days. And in case you decide to stick with ExpressVPN, it would be a good idea to use my link in the description for the best ExpressVPN deal and get 3 extra months for free. Don't forget to save this video and come back. Even if you opt for the free trial, you will not regret it, trust me. Now, if you don't want to get charged but still want to try ExpressVPN, there is actually another way. It's not going to give you 30 days for free, but you will still be able to try it out. I am talking about ExpressVPN 7 days free trial. So to get this, you'll need either an iPhone or an Android phone. But once you get it on your mobile, you'll be able to use ExpressVPN fully on other devices as well. All right, to get the app, head to Google Play or Apple Store and look for the ExpressVPN app. Once you've downloaded and installed it, select a free trial and register. The key thing to remember here is to cancel your free trial manually, because if you don't, you will get charged the minute your trial ends. But again, you can just cancel on the first day of the trial, as you'll be able to use ExpressVPN for the remaining days anyway. Now, you might notice that the prices on the Apple Store and Google Play for ExpressVPN are a little bit higher than on their website. So, if you are considering buying ExpressVPN after the trial ends, I would suggest still cancelling the trial, then coming back to this video and using the link in the description to get the best deal available. Okay, the last way to get ExpressVPN for free is through a refer a friend system. It's not a free trial, but it can still give you ExpressVPN for free. First, you need to have an ExpressVPN account already, then you refer a friend. If they register using your referral link, you both get 30 days for free. You can do this endlessly and get an extra 30 days for free every time. Just keep in mind you cannot do this if you are on a free trial, as a friend system is not available for those that signed up through mobile apps. So now you know how to get ExpressVPN free download. 2023 has plenty of VPN choices. What are the main reasons I recommend ExpressVPN? First of all, the stellar security and privacy implementations. There's top-of-the-market encryption there. In addition, there's various independent audits to further confirm that ExpressVPN is legit and safe. And while ExpressVPN isn't the most feature-rich VPN provider, it is well developed. Besides the general stuff I'd expect, like a kill switch or alleged stealth service, there is a media streamer, a smart DNS tool that allows for a smooth streaming experience. And I didn't have any trouble connecting to any of the well-known streaming platforms either. In terms of torrenting, it's a solid VPN for that as well. It allows P2P connections on all of its servers, and from experience, it has good speeds and advanced security features. Furthermore, ExpressVPN is available on all major operating systems and has multiple browser extensions. And what's nice is there are more than just anomaly-focused features like the Threat Manager feature, which protects me from trackers and malicious websites. So overall, ExpressVPN is a trustworthy, safe, and capable VPN service. While I admit it can be more expensive than other providers on the market, it isn't too bad, especially with my ExpressVPN discount. And don't forget, you already know how to get ExpressVPN for free with a trial. Oh, and by the way, if you want to know more about ExpressVPN and how to use it, subscribe to the channel or check it out for more info. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate your time, and let me know in the comments which means you use to get ExpressVPN for free.